Honorable chairs, esteemed delegates, peace, justice, and strong institutions is not a destination. It's a way of living the civil society we want our children to experience. The United States of America is a testament of the promotion of peace and justice. We have been the birthplace of movements that provided much-needed rights to workers, women, people of color, and the LGBTQIAAP+ community. Where the world has struggled, we have been there to help, and will be there to help in the future. This is not only a promise, but a threat to anyone who dares to go against the universal values of peace and justice that we stand for. Do not forget that in the past, we have saved the world more than once from the claws of autocratic regimes and are not scared to do it again. Peacefully, of course. Let us, the United States of America, be your compass to the compassion essential in this world to build peace, justice, and strong institutions. Thank you.